What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the photos disappearing issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now again click on this apps option and then scroll down and here tap on gallery. Now go to the storage of gallery and then clear the cache memory of gallery. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and then the cache memory will be cleared. And after doing this, the photos disappearing issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open My Files app. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on settings. Now from here tap on show hidden files button to turn it on. So turn on both show hidden files buttons. So it will help you to find out the hidden photos. So after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open gallery. Now after opening gallery, go to the albums tab and scroll down to the end and here tap on others. So here if you have deleted any image, so for example if you have deleted something accidentally, then that photo or video will be available in this recently deleted option. Now from here you can restore the file, so select the file and tap on restore. So that's how you can fix the photos disappearing issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.